Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Another Hero Clicks weekend. Be prepared for earthquakes. Go to this place weekly. Let's go! Okay, welcome back to our good friend Neil. God Killer Sword on Zala for the win.
Oh, ito na Spider-Man unboxing. Daddy and Conrad. Mga atapang atao.
Good luck.
Cheers!
Good luck.
Okay.
Uy.
Ay puta.
Sabi ni Pete, sali daw siya.
Oh, yun yung mines. Hoy! Hoy!
What's that?
Ano yun?
Sino to?
Legacy! Steelman!
Legacy. Ah, wala.
Prime!
Uy, Prime ano?
Prime ano?
Octopussy!
Craven!
Uy!
Tsaka Superior ba yan?
Octopussy.
Sino Superior? Ito, si Steelman.
Si Lexi Lure.
Oh, galing ni ano? Lexi Lure ko.
Chase to.
Lakas
Lexi Lure.
Asa na po?
Lexi Lure. Ano yun?
Next. Video yan.
Ay!
Putang ina, Spider-Man. Rockstar.
Thank you very much to everyone who showed up, and see you again next week, part 3 of Clickstover Fest. Bye bye!